Hey everybody, welcome to Ridgway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. We're trying to get the sandwich in the sandwich bag. Basically, it's like an analogy, trying to get through this gate with a trailer without ripping the sides out because it's very close.
And where are we going?
We're going to Castaways Resort Beach, which is now owned by Sun Resorts. It's in Berlin, Maryland. It's like the closest campground to Ocean City, Maryland. We've been there before. We like it.
Before you pull out,
What?
Don't pull out. Just wait a minute, because you have been very stressed this morning.
Right.
Very short-tempered.
Well, that's because everybody wants to bother me when I'm trying to do my shit. Everybody has time to do their shit when they're doing stuff, but there's got to be, the trailer's got to be hooked up.
Well, when you say everybody, who are you talking about? Because I was doing my share.
Right. I'm saying phone calls this morning, like 15 emails I had to answer before I get started.
So now we're going to de-stress. This is going to be a relaxation
now. I'm on the road,
week, right?
And then the puppies were up my ass constantly. Well, they were up yours too, right?
Yeah.
Because
they're
John
excited.
And Luna, I know.
They're
Look, Luna's
excited.
already passed out. Look at her.
We got a long ride, 2.5 hours.
But it's a gorgeous campground. We have fun there. We enjoy it. We got friends coming, Connie and Gail, and Kathy and Sherry, and my sister Robin and her husband are going to be there. So we're all 3 sites lined up in a row.
It should be a great time.
Yeah, it should be a good time. And like Terry was saying, the dogs have been hyperactive. As soon as we hook up to the trailer, they're crazy because they know they're going somewhere. And this is one of the ones that we take them with us. So, and it's all good. So we're on our merry way, or Terry way, whatever you want to call it.
Johnny's falling. Oh, did I wake you up, Johnny? Johnny's falling asleep with his head in between.
He don't want to miss something.
Cushions. What's the matter, baby?
That's why we got little Johnny whiskers stuck to the side.
You should be like Luna. Luna's sleeping. Oh, my
Yeah, until you called her out.
Huh?
Until you made her known. Now she's here.
Hi, Luna. Hi, Luna, Tuna.
56 miles left.
56 miles. It's not too bad, is it?
No.
There's somebody listening to you.
Yeah, finally listen to me because you don't pay attention. I think you're deaf and you don't have a good attention
deaf.
span.
I was playing my word games.
Right, well, you can still hear me. We're in a cab. We're only 3 feet away.
I don't hear you. I'm focused.
Focused on what? The game?
I'm focused on my word game.
What if I said, hey, look out the window? And then 5 minutes later.
Well, it depends on how you said it.
Right.
You happy now?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
You?
Yes. I've been happy all day. I've been nice.
Okay. Ooh, look at all that firewood. Woohoo! Look at all that, hon. See? You heard me. So,
You've been a very good boy. So, what did Mom always used to say before you went on a car ride?
you're supposed to piss before you leave, and I did that.
Okay, and what happened?
I had to pee real bad, and I didn't want to stop. So,
guess what we had to do? We had to empty all the pretzels so he could pee in the pretzel container. And he wanted to do it while he was driving.
why not be daring?
But I made him
under the
pull
steering
off
wheel.
to the side of the road. Do you feel so much better now?
I do. I feel like 10 pounds lighter, too.
So from now on, I guess we're going to have to get like a little urinal for
Something.
for the vehicle.
Well, I shouldn't have drank that full bottle of water.
It was only 1 bottle of water.
I know, but still. Whoa, for me.
Hello.
What are you up to?
Are you relaxing?
I'm on my union break. Everything's
Okay.
set. We're good. Leveled.
Heck, you didn't put the mats out.
The what?
The carpets.
Oh, well, we got a cement thing here. But it already rained, so I figured I was going to wait to do any more anyway. And now the sun's about ready to pop back out again.
Are you de-stressing?
I am decompressing, de-stressing, relaxing. It's not noon, so I can't have a beer, so...
You're camping. You can have a beer if you want. You want me to get you a beer?
No, so not right now, thank you.
No?
Did you
Okay.
hear anything, like cats or anything?
I didn't hear
Have you
anything.
heard them?
No.
Did Connie and Gail bring theirs?
I don't know. We could check after they get set up.
No, because I put the slides out, come around here, and then all of a sudden I hear them.
Sometimes they do have their cats with them.
Right. But I don't think they would squeak or squawk or whatever they do. Meow.
Huh?
Unless there's something in the hedgerow back there.
Ron, there's how many trailers here? They could have cats.
But they're loud.
There could be feral cats here too.
Should have brought my pellet gun.
You can't shoot a cat, especially somebody
Just
else's
kidding.
cat.
But it's frustrating. It wasn't like they're everywhere.
That's all right. Well, I'll get you a beer, all right?
All right. That'll work. But again, we're distressing
Yes.
and decompressing.
No worries.
No worries.
Well, did you get the site for next year?
Got a site, not the same site. It's a better site though.
Oh, good.
So we're covered.
All right, nice.
But yeah, it was a big ass deposit because they supposedly take half of the total week or 2 days. Watch that, would you? Did you jiggle your inners?
Huh? Yeah.
So when we get back to the trailer, I got to tear that thing apart because it just before we left and the sound hit again. So, and Connie and Gail didn't bring the cats. So there's no way in hell I could.
They said they didn't have, that they got somebody to watch the cats, so they didn't bring them. I told you it could be any other trailer. And you know you have that tinnitus or whatever where you can hear things from other places and they sound like they're closer to you.
Believe me, if it sounds like it's right there at their trailer. That's what's got me bugged. It's very coincidental.
I haven't heard it, but you're outside more than I am.
Right, but it's coincidental that I'm hearing it again after we heard it around the car, and then I had to go to Heritage's, and they say something about the cat sound. So yeah, there's something really coincidental. So I'll get under it when we get back and tear shit apart and see what I can find. Because there are, and I'm not. There's hiding spots under that trailer. There's a possibility one of them damn feral cats got in there. And then, you know, you travel all the way down here.
I think, honey, that's way too coincidental.
No, I agree it is.
We heard it in the car. We're not, you know, we don't have the car with us, so it's I think it's too coincidental for us to have cats under our trailer.
Right. And the weird part is I've had so many problems with cats over the years. Now they're like freaking haunting me.
Yeah, maybe you're just hearing things.
It's probably those
I have not heard it yet, so.
Probably those damn 8 cats that I had the animal control people get, you know?
Well, if you hear it again,
all right. I'll
just
tear
check
things
it out.
apart and figure it out.
Okay.
I heard it too.
Did you hear it?
I did hear it. Did you guys hear
Yes.
it?
It came from the back.
Huh?
It came from the back, back here.
I hear it.
Well, I hear them.
Yeah. You have to hear the trailer,
No, the sound came from back here.
But then I heard it up front, too.
I threw food back here this morning. Maybe it's...
Is it marshy in here?
We got fish. Look at fish, Gail.
Dry in there, so the sun could have built a nest back
I threw a bunch of food back here this morning.
Oh, shoot. Watch that. Jesus Christ.
Look at that fish and put it out, Gail. I think I heard it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I thought I heard it. I thought I heard it. We're looking for the... We hear a cat.
They heard the cat.
I hear a kitten or something.
Jeff heard it a little bit ago.
A what?
Jeff heard a cat a little bit ago, and now it's coming from back here.
Oh my God. We should send Wheeling through. That'll skirt the cat out of the woods.
Go look for the goodie.
I'm scared of cat. In the trees, maybe?
This happened the last time I was camping and I found a little one.
Yeah, you found a cat.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I did. Oh my gosh, he was so cute. And then these people.
Get down and do your magic. You're the
Oh my
cat
gosh,
whisperer,
that's like
aren't
a
you?
hole down there.
Go. I'll find a mountain
Yeah,
lion
you might
down there.
find something down there.
Just watch that too.
Oh my god, I just heard it.
It's right here.
I'm telling you.
Right here.
Get the fish.
But it was like
Don't
a.
bring the dog over, please.
No, I'd rather have the dog in here. Maybe it'll push it out.
No, we'll scare it further in.
It looks like it drops off down there.
Like over here.
Doesn't it look like it drops off?
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
a
it
ditch
does
there, a dry
drop
ditch.
It could have like a little nest or some kind of little home back here, right?
Or the mom left it back there.
Just listen. I don't hear it now.
Oh, big hawk up there.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I heard it. I heard one up here and I heard it back here.
I thought it came from the woods.
So did
I don't think it's coming from the back of your trailer. Did you look on the roof?
Oh, I just heard.
Oh, Jeff, he's in your trailer.
Hold on.
I found it.
What is that?
Listen.
Oh my God! What? Where'd you get that? What?
Sticky taped right to the back of the trailer right here.
Do you push it?
Yeah, listen.
That's what I heard.
That's crap.
Who put that there?
Terry knows who did it.
Put in your wee and see what he does.
I know who did it.
It's got to be your brother. It's the same thing with the cat on the car, remember?
Oh my God.
Remember the car? It's got to be one of these things. So there's got to be one up front here too then.
I never knew they.
That was like a fighting cat. That was like a.
So
if there was one in the back,
whole
then there's
time
one in
that
the front.
that they came over waving the white flag
Yeah,
was exactly what you
bullshit.
thought then.
Maybe it's on the other side. No, it didn't.
No, there it is.
There it is.
Oh my God! Wait, where do they even make those things?
Cats are us, maybe?
Because they're purr.
So yeah, so they
And they
look,
stick on with.
they're
magnets or
They're
something?
sticky. So who was the one that was over here by the trailer at our house?
I don't know. I
Setting up
wasn't.
the flag, truce flag, remember? Wasn't it Joe?
It was Joe and Larry who said it.
Yeah. Well, Joe then went to the trailer, then Larry must have did the car. Because that's the only reason it happened to where I had heritages and, yeah, it's crap.
So that's what's on my car.
Yeah, it's got to be on your car. I'll find it when I get back. Yeah, that's some truce, huh?
Wait, you
some
just
truce.
push it?
Just push the little black button in there.
Here?
Yeah.
I could make these for a living.
Somebody's going to pay for this shit because this is just transversed how many states? You know? Oh, it's all funny. Oh, yeah, I stuck it to them. Yeah, all right. I'll get it back. But I got to check your car when we get home, all right?
Yeah.
Crap. Who wants some stupid sticky cat buttons?
Me?
You want them?
This is cute.
Well, hopefully they cost them a lot of money.
Okay, we just got home. We're unloading the trailer. And Jeffrey's looking for the cat device that Larry or Joe put under the car.
Which they've hid pretty good because I don't see it anywhere.
Well, yeah, because you was searching really hard when you were looking before we even left for camping.
Well, there's an insulated pad over the muffler. I'm hoping it's not in there, but since you didn't drive for a while, it's still, it's cold.
So what do you think? You think that maybe when Joe took the pee, he put him on the trailer?
Yeah, I think that's what, thinking on that drive home, I think it had to be that. Joe put them on there, and then Larry, when he left, if you remember, Joe came back. So, like
Yes,
a
he
decoy,
did.
like a decoy.
Yeah, oh right, he turned around and he was talking about
Yeah.
something. So you think that's when Larry did his?
I'm thinking, but hell, I don't know for sure. Oh, wait, I feel one up on the frame, the back bumper frame.
It's, what is it, not like visible or something?
No. Yep, that's it.
Oh, he hit it good.
He hit it
watch
very
your,
good.
Watch your phone. You're stepping on your phone.
That's right. So, let's see if it's been a while. It still works, so it's been playing the whole damn time. Oh my God. And I hate cats. That's the bad part. Maybe that's whole played into this. But
Yeah.
why would they come over here and blatantly lie to us and share a beer, almost like toasting the The trues.
Yeah, they fooled us,
Yeah,
didn't
they pulled it. Yeah, they did pull it. And usually we're not that, or I'm not that gullible for that crap.
Right.
So, well, I guess it's going to go to the next level. Liar, liar, let's return some fire. How about that one?
I like it.
All right. Fist bump.